It's recording.
Hello, everyone, and welcome to Taste Test Challenge number 3. This week, it's Mom's pick, so come on over and tell us what you got here.
Okay, it was a lot of fun trying to find stuff we have never tried before. A lot of it was a challenge for me because I am a very, very picky eater. So this week, our drink, we have some iced tea, but it's blackberry smash. Kind of sounds interesting.
Interesting.
What do you think? I'm not one for sweet tea, but I'm willing to give it a try.
Yes.
And we're also going to try some crackers, some avocado ranch crackers. I've never tasted avocado.
Yeah, I'm not a big fan of them.
Curious to see what it tastes like. And then we have some coconut pieces. And I'm wondering, we're kind of thinking it might taste like Mounds candy.
Well, dark chocolate more like almond joy without the almond.
Yeah.
No, that's Mounds, you're right.
Yeah, but with the coconut on there, I'm just wondering if it's like chopped pieces of the coconut that's going to taste a little different from Mounds, not have all the sugar in it. And then we're going to try some real mango slices.
Unlike the dried stuff we had last time.
The dried stuff wasn't bad, but I had a weird taste in my mouth, so I'm curious to see what it tastes like. Not dried and chewy. So we're going to start. Oh, why is that fizzing? You hear that? That is weird. I never knew. That's not carbonated. Okay. Got my mug. I'm looking for a lot here. Okay. And we'll pour some in there. Is that enough? And I get nervous doing this, but I'm going to do it. Okay. Blackberry smash tea.
There you go.
Oh, wow.
That is good.
It is good. It's a little sweet for me, but it's really good. I like it.
Yeah.
How much sugar is in that? I'm curious.
0% juice. What exactly is this flavored with? Sugar, artificial flavors.
Yeah. Okay, so for
16
grams.
grams.
Unless you drink the whole bottle, it's 46 grams if you drink the whole bottle. I guess it's not too bad, but it's good. I don't get a weird taste in my mouth, which is really good. Okay. This is getting scary with this one. Oh my goodness. Here we go.
Okay, I'm sure it's not as bad as the ones I had last time.
No, but it smells like crackers. Oh, interesting. It's made with flax seeds. I don't know how to say that. Quinoa. And chia.
Flax seeds, quinoa.
Quinoa.
Chia seeds.
I have no idea how to say that. Okay. I pronounce it the way it looks. So. Okay, let's try it. Here we go.
Alright.
I actually like it. I think the ranch flavor hides all the other stuff in it because I don't taste the other stuff. I don't taste avocado. What does avocado taste like?
How would I know? I've never had an avocado before.
I don't know what avocado tastes like, and I just taste ranch.
Yeah.
This is really good.
Maybe next time we'll have a real avocado here.
I'm going to finish these for lunch. These are good.
Yeah.
I don't think it's some more. These are Go Smart Avocado Ranch. Corn tortilla chips. Rinse it down. Okay. Should we do the coconut or the
Well, you're already holding that.
All right. Here we go. I'm kind of worried about it. It's not going to taste like a Mounds bar. Smells good. I just got chocolate. I didn't get any coconut yet. I like that. It tastes a little bit like a Mounds.
Not as soft as a Mounds.
No,
it's
and not as sweet. It's not as sweet, but it's really good. I think it's better.
Really? Don't you like the nice soft chewiness of a Mounds when you eat one?
I do, but they're so sweet. And this is just like it's got the natural coconut flavor in it.
How? It's got dark chocolate when that
No, but
the
when
sweetness out.
when you taste the coconut, it doesn't taste really sweet like the Mounds coconut does.
Yeah.
Mm. 2 thumbs up. Oh, wait a minute. Trying to chew the coconut. Oh my goodness.
Second thoughts here.
Take it bite by bite, not pop the whole thing in your mouth.
What, does that retract a thumb down then?
It's an awful lot of chocolate. I would like a little more coconut. But it seems like I have a lot of chocolate on mine. So.
I taste more chocolate than coconut. Really? Contains coconut? Really have to put that on there? That's like having a Reese cup saying contains peanuts.
Chewing this coconut, it's good, but it's so chewy. How did you get yours down so fast? Oh my gosh, I can't.
You're still chewing?
Yes.
Alright, so.
Next up is the mango. If you want to.
Whoa!
I had Tony open it to save time. So, yeah, take the lid off. Take the lid off.
Maybe you should have drained the juice out first.
Oh, you can drink the juice if you want.
Oh, look at that.
It looks like peaches. See if you can tilt the bowl a little bit.
Tilt
it.
I'm trying to do this without spilling it.
All right.
You can see that. I don't want to spill this.
Okay.
Alright, so. Have you ever had a fresh mango before?
No, I have not.
Yeah, trying to cut them can be a little tricky.
I'm just going to break it. I'm not taking a whole thing. I'm going to take a bite. If I can get it. I can't even scoop out a piece. Oh, my goodness. Okay, I got one. Alright, I got one. It does look like peaches. I don't know.
Alright, hold this over the bowl so I'm
going to drip all my juice off.
Yeah.
Alright, here we go. Definitely not peaches, but it's okay. It's not. I don't know. It's kind of. I'm not sure I like it or not. It's so mushy. That's the.
Well, probably because
it's in the juice. Yeah.
Yeah, typically that's what happens.
I can't even. I should have got a. Oh my goodness, that's gross.
Okay, it does not make that look as appealing, does it?
No, okay. I'm not gonna go for it, but
I'm not a big fan.
Okay, I just got a little piece here.
I'd rather have a fresh mango where it's more crisp and not mushy like this.
Oh, God. I just got a weird taste.
Okay.
You can have the rest of it. I got the crackers.
That's okay. I like fresh mangoes, but not this mushy and crisp
and
stuff.
It's probably got a lot more sugar than what I should be eating. 21 grams, yeah. But that's only for half a cup. But.
Maybe it might have tasted better if I drained the juice first. But
yeah, and maybe baking with it or cooking something with it might have made it better. I don't know.
Yeah.
What can you do with mango? I have no idea. But so all in all, I think it was we didn't like the mangoes. We're gonna pass on the mangoes, but we love the crackers. Yep. That was good. And we liked the coconut. I bet your dad will love these.
Yeah.
And we love the juice. So I think I did a pretty good job picking 3 out of 4.
Yeah. Yep.
So next week is his pick. So pray for me because I don't know what he's gonna pick. And last time he picked them hot and spicy, nasty pickle chips. Oh. Of course, he didn't realize that in picking those, he had to eat them too. So.
No, really? Like, I did not know that.
Yeah, so I got to keep that in mind. You got to eat it too. Not
I know that too.
Well, this was fun.
Yeah.
We'll be back next week with another challenge, his pick. You guys ought to do this. This is so much fun. Do this with your kids. Find stuff they've never tried. Videotape them trying it. Their reactions are going to be so fun, just like ours are.
Yep.
This week, though, it wasn't too bad until we got to the mango, but yeah, this stuff's really good. So we're getting into our health kick, eating some more healthier stuff. But we'll see you guys next week with our next challenge. Bye.
Bye-bye.
I got something stuck in my tooth. Oh.